Hey, this is John from Star Hill. I just wanted to clue you in. One of our students solved a problem I didn't realize I have, which is how do you keep your layout system organized? And this leather case is the ticket. Now this thing is heavy duty. It is designed to hold our Easy B, our Easy L, and our Easy C. So it kind of holds all of them. When it's packed together, this actually serves as a handle, and you can access each one of these tools separately through this case. Our Easy C, which is our centerline tool, will slide right out. We can open up these snaps, and that gives us access to our, oh, didn't get all the snaps, there's two more. That gives us access to our Easy B. This is our centerline, this is our tool that allows even a new framer to lay out a knee brace in under a minute. And then the final tool just slides out, which is the Easy L. This is the workhorse of square rule layout. Yeah, this is the Star Hill layout system, and all of these tools are stainless steel 304, powder coated in bolt blue. We have our Easy B, which is designed for laying out knee braces. We have our Easy L, which is the workhorse for square rule layout and allows you to do all the square rule layout functions. And we are now including the Easy C in our layout system. And this tool has over 30 functions, but it really shines on centerline layout. And that's the case one of our students made, and that thing is simply awesome. This case is designed so that you can just put things right back where you got them from. You can put our Easy B right in the pouch. We're going to secure our snaps. And then our Easy L just slides right into the top. Just slide that in, she's ready to go. Rotate it, and we take our Easy C, and it goes right into this pouch. And this is designed where you can access any of the tools individually or all at one time. And what's super nice is this acts as a handle, and you can actually carry that around, and it makes a nice compact little package for a layout system.